guys, how are we doing? It's just another day of kayak fishing. So how do you actually make your fishing plans? Well, we usually make a plan upon the tide graphs. So here's how we made our fishing plan today. We start fishing at 7 a.m., which is a little earlier. And the tide keeps going up until 10 a.m. Then the tide will stop between 10 to 11 a.m. So here's our plan. We do sabiki and jigging while the tide is moving fast, targeting amberjack or mackerel, like those migratory fish for the first couple of hours, because they are more likely to be active while the tide is moving fast. Then the tide slows down and stops. We switch to the bait fishing, targeting Kawahagi. In this season, it's a file fish.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me high and dry.
The fish finder shows a school of small bait from the bottom to the middle range, but no bite to sabiki. What are they? They're probably too small to bite sabiki. There must be some bigger fish chasing those small bait and attack sabiki or jig. Let's see. Now it's 25 meters deep. Yeah, fish on. But it's not heavy. It's probably a lizard fish or something. Shaky shaky and coming up very smooth. Just as I thought, it's lizard fish. The reason why this fish is not quite welcome is that it damages the leader so bad by their pretty sharp teeth. And it's pretty bony and kinda trouble to cook. It tastes good though. But we usually give it back to the ocean.
OK 競泳そうたまにいますね、とんでもないのが。そうめっちゃ低いんですよね。あー、いい反応や。すげえな。いい反応です。これは期待できるな、今日は。エソしか釣れんかったりして。でももうベイトはサビキに食ってこないですね。
Now it's 40 meters deep, where we can expect good size of mackerel. So contrary to our expectations, what I got were only some lizard fish and blowfish, which we don't want to bring back to cook. So the current slowed down and we're on to Kawahagi fishing, using clams for bait. 20 centimeter snapper, not a keeper. It's regular size of Kawahagi, about 25 centimeters. To dispatch it, I brain it and bleed it by cutting the gills. So these are what I brought back today, so let's cook it up. It's a Kawahagi liver. Let's fillet this up. Cutting through the rib cage. Now work on the kimojoyu, the liver with soy sauce. Mix in some green onions. Now kimojoyu is done. Preparing some nori, the dried seaweed. Now making kimozushi. Just 1個食べてみよう。